Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of download on the application of Threads. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will write the name of this application of Threads and we click. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. We'll search about Threads app. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching and your